it's your girl Krystle, and I'm back with another slay for y'all. So today's video is going to be going over this gorgeous unit. This video is sponsored by Luvme. They were nice enough to send me this unit to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you just a few ways that you can style. Now, before we even get into all the details and the nitty-gritty, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you a part of the family. And if you like today's video, hit that like button. Y'all, if you're not following me on all my other social media platforms, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Your girl is over on TikTok. I'm even on Facebook. Y'all connect with me. And if you like to leave me some feedback, y'all know I love to talk to you down in the comments. Now, let's go ahead and get into this install, and I'll see you in the outro. Okay, you guys, let's get into this unboxing. Luvme is notorious for sending these cute little goodies, and I wanted to highlight this part of their packaging. I love that they have been consistent with sending out goodies, even through the world pandemic and all of those things. They are always sending out goodies with their units. But today's unit is going to be 100% human hair. It's a fluffy brown ombre highlighted water wave 5x5 closure lace wig. You do get the HD lace. You can wear this unit glueless, and it does come with all the bells and whistles with the adjustable straps, the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and that elastic band. Now, like I said earlier, you can wear this unit glueless, and I love the versatility of that. I also love that this is beginner friendly and big head friendly. Although this is a closure unit, you can really get a good amount of styles out of this as long as you are being creative. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you a few styles that you can get out of this wig. Now, this is 16 inches long, and it's under $200. I'll put all the discount codes and all of that down in the description box, so be sure to read the description box because I will put that discount code in there so you can get this under $200. I do love that they ship within 24 hours, and they have a lot of different payment options so that you guys can make the best choice in regards to your finances. Y'all, Luvme is definitely doing their thing. Now, in regards to the cons of this unit, I did experience just a bit of frizziness. I did not put any mousse on this unit because I wanted you guys to see the curl pattern and what happens when you pull out the hair. But that is not anything that you cannot fix with some mousse. Now, for those that are going for the bigger look, the puffier look, this unit can definitely give it to you. It is only 150% density, but it offers a lot of oomph. Like, these curls are definitely popping and doing what they're supposed to do. Y'all, look at this. Look at this style. This half up, half down is my absolute favorite. Y'all let me know what your favorite is down below. And I'll see y'all in the outro. Oh my gosh, this side part is also another one of my favorites. It is a classic. Y'all, you cannot go wrong with a get up and go unit like this. If you want to use some hairspray or foam, you can, but you can definitely wear this unit glueless. So now that we have styled her, you guys, she is doing everything that she is supposed to do. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And y'all, I'm gonna leave all the discount codes and everything down below. I'll see you in the next video.